Welcome to this demo presentation of the new Amazon Affiliate WordPress plugin Associate Goliath. This is what the Associate Goliath admin panel looks like. Here you can enter your Amazon Associate ID. Here you can enter your access key ID and here your secret access key. If you already have an Amazon Associate ID, you can get an access key ID and a secret access key in less than 5 minutes. You can just click this help link and you are going to get detailed instructions. Here you can see the scheduling options. You can schedule how many posts you want per week, or you can publish all posts immediately. Let's select this for now. Here you can select how many posts total you want to be added. You can add up to 100 posts per run. Of course, you can choose to run Associate Goliath as many times as you want. For now, let's leave it up to 10. Here you can see the categories of your blog. We are going to add a new category to schedule posts under. We click Add New Category. Let's select GPS and Navigation. And the new category has been added and it's already checked, as you can see. Here you can enter your keywords. Let's leave it blank for now. Here you can select a product price range. Let's select between $50 and $100. Here you can select an Amazon market. Amazon.com and Amazon.co.uk are supported at this time. Let's leave it to Amazon.com. Here you can select the Amazon category to pull products from. Let's select electronics and Amazon subcategory, GPS and navigation. If you want, you can click this preview results button. Let's click it and you are going to see the products that are going to be fetched by Associate Goliath. We scroll down here and you see the products here. You can click one of these links and it will take you directly to the Amazon page. Okay, everything looks great. Let's click the Schedule New Posts button. Generating posts. You see that Associate Goliath fetched 20 products and not just 10. This is done on purpose, just in case some of the products cannot be fetched for whatever reason. %60 complete, 80% complete. Finished. 10 posts added successfully. Let's see an example post. Garmin Nuvi 40LM 4.3-inch portable GPS navigator US. You can see the rating, price, product image and a button here. If your visitors click this image or this button, they are going to be taken to Amazon through your affiliate link, of course. Here you can see the product description, technical details, product details, customer reviews. If you want, you can add content in this post wherever you want. Let me give you a quick example. We'll go to edit this post. You're going to see some widgets below this area. Add extra content in Associate Goliath post, technical details used for Associate Goliath posts, and product details used for Associate Goliath posts. Here's an example of the product details. If you want, you can, let's say, check this and delete that field. You can add whatever you want here. You can even change the order of the fields if you want to. You can do exactly the same in the technical details widget. Also, in this widget, there's this link that shows you some available shortcodes. Here are the shortcodes. If we want, we can enclose content between these shortcodes, and Associate Goliath is going to add your content wherever you want in the post. For example, let's say AG top. We can add this wherever we want in the text area. Let's say AG top. AG top. AG stands for Associate Goliath, by the way. This is some test content. We can make it bold. Okay. Update. View post. And here you can see this is some test content. You can add whatever you want here, any type of HTML, affiliate links, banners, your own review, whatever you want. And you can add content anywhere you want in this post. This is a great way to make your content more unique and add more value. You can also go to the options screen, click options. Here you can select if you want the product image and the button to be aligned on the left or on the right. Here you can select what will be shown in the button. You can change the text. It says view on Amazon. You can make it say whatever you want. You can upload your own button if you want. Here are some more options. You can show your button on the blog's index pages like the home page and category pages. You can choose to show button at the bottom of the post, which increases click-through rates. You can see your universal affiliate link settings, your associate ID, access key ID, secret access key. You can even add a tracking code here. You can change any of this whenever you want, and all your changes will take effect across your entire blog right away, even on posts that have been already scheduled or published. Here you can see what others say about Associate Goliath, WP plugin of the decade for Amazon affiliates. Totally love this plugin, so simple to use and produces great posts. Feel free to visit the main site and read all the testimonials. Here you can see the Associate Goliath money back guarantee. Either it will help you make 10 times back your investment or you don't pay anything. I'm that confident in it. And here's how to order Associate Goliath. You just scroll down. You can click this button and it will take you directly to the PayPal order form. And after your order comes through, you are going to be redirected to the download page. You can also purchase a developer's license of Associate Goliath if you want to sell blogs that have been built with Associate Goliath. Thanks for watching and talk soon.